Well, today we're going to play around with doing bridges for the railroad. More railroad stuff. This piece here is one of the bigger pieces. The wider piece is not as long. There's some of the longer pieces here too. Setting these up on the big 4-axle Mack trailer here. This piece here is only 57 feet long. Has us weighing in about just shy of 110,000 pounds gross. We got it set. We got our big piece of dunnage right there and the chains here, and then back here at the back we've got the same thing. Got it all secured down back here, and then right here in the middle, a little tough to see, just barely misses the deck of the trailer. You can actually look all the way through underneath. Swing our little bit of overhang off the back of the trailer back here. We got our big I-beams. 1, 2, 3. They come in 2 halves, but there's a total of 5 I-beams. The bigger ones have 3, the smaller ones only have 2. Goes up here to the rails. This is Joe over here. He's got one of the bigger ones. His is 69 feet long, and one of the pieces, it's 70,000 pounds as well. I'm looking from this side, see if we can look all the way through. Just see the sliver of daylight all the way through, all the way front to back. Doing all this fun stuff, and right now we're waiting. They're had a bridge wash out. They're setting the new pilings, and then they're going to bring us in and set the new bridge on top of those new pilings. So, anyway, hope everybody's having a good day today, and we'll see you next time.